Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to call the parent class constructor using super explicitly in Java. So let's get started. In the previous session, we have seen that a child class constructor was calling the parent class constructor automatically because Java was internally maintaining this super constructor calling statement, that is constructor calling statement in the child class constructor in the first line itself, that I have covered in the previous session, right? Now, how to do that explicitly, I am going to cover in this session. Fine. So for that, we'll go with the practical demonstration. So we'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. So we can create everything from scratch, guys. Okay, so it will be a practice for us also. So let me create a new package yum, finish. Inside this, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as, let's say, class X with main method. Just ignore this code because this is only for running purpose. Okay, for running the code, because we have the main method, we need the main method to run the code. We have created this class and main method just for running purpose. Now, whatever I cover here, that you need to focus. Okay, let me create a class known as animal class, which I'm going to make the parent class of other class. And here, I'm going to create another class, let's say dog class. I want to make this dog class a child class of the animal. For that, I'll write extends animal. Done. Now here, inside the dog class, I'll create a constructor, public dog. Like this, I'll create a constructor. Now, if I create one more constructor, that is overloaded constructor, let's say like this, okay, int a. If I create one more constructor inside this dog class, here we have multiple constructors, which are overloaded constructors, right? Fine. Similarly, if I create a constructor in the animal class, let's say I would like to create a constructor in the animal class like this. Fine, that is also done. Now, for a child class constructor, to call the other overloaded constructor in the same child class, what we have to write here? We have to use this keyword. Okay, with the help of this keyword, okay, here I'll pass some 5. You see, this particular constructor in this class is calling the other overloaded constructor in the same class by using this statement, right? This of here, how many parameters are there? 1. So I'm passing. But what if this particular constructor need to call the parent class constructor? In that case, what we have to do? Actually, you don't have to do anything, guys. Okay, actually you don't have to do anything because Java will internally call the parent class constructor from the child class constructor. But if you want to explicitly call it, despite of Java being calling, but if you want to explicitly call that, you have to write this super like this. Okay. For calling the child class, its own class constructor, we have to use this statement we have to write here. Okay. If any parameters are there, we have to pass a value, right? But to call the explicitly, if the child class constructor want to call the parent class constructor, we have to write super. Here, parent class constructor doesn't have any parameters. That's the reason we are not passing any arguments. Okay, this is the way of explicitly calling the parent class constructor. Okay, this is the way of explicitly calling the parent class constructor, system.out.println. Here I'll remove this overloaded constructor. I just want to show you that this statement, okay, when we have to use this statement, when we have to use a super statement, I wanted to show that. Okay, whether you are using this statement or super statement, they should be in the first line of the constructor, guys. Okay, so you cannot write something like this. Okay, either this statement or super statement you cannot write later. This super statement or this statement should be in the first line itself. That's what is the rule. Okay, otherwise you are going to get the error. Now here super, and here I'll simply say system.out.println. If I print animal here, I'll print animal here. Here I'll print dog here. Okay, now let's see what is happening when I create an object for the child class like this. Okay, when I create an object for this child class, new dog like this, here child class constructor will be called, and in the first line you are explicitly calling, whether you call it or not, by default Java will also internally maintain this super constructor calling statement, that is parent class constructor calling statement will be automatically maintained by Java. But if you explicitly write it, the same thing will happen, guys. This will call the parent class constructor, and here animal will be printed first. After this parent class constructor is run, the control will come back to the child class constructor, and here dog will be printed. So animal and dog will be printed. Okay, when I create an object for the dog class, child class, parent class constructor is run first and child class constructor is run second, because here whether explicitly or inbuilt the same thing will happen. If you don't write this, Java will call it. If you write it, you are calling it. Okay. So run this code, animal and dog will be printed as usual. Okay. So this is how we can use a super statement. Okay. This is how we can use a super keyword to call the parent class constructors in Java. Okay, this is how we can use a super constructor. Okay, super constructor calling statement to call the parent class constructor. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.